Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I am sharing with you the Ornate Garden Specialty Designer Series paper. This is coming out in the new Stampin' Up! Catalog, which doesn't actually come out until June, but this fabulous bundle is coming out as a sneak peek and it is so exciting. I can't wait to share it all with you. There's embellishments like ribbon and gems, as well as stamps, dies, and this beautiful paper. So this Ornate Garden Specialty Designer Series paper comes with 12 sheets. You can see that there is 2 sheets of each double-sided designer paper, and one side has a fabulous foil on it, whereas the other side has a beautiful floral print. I don't know which side I like more because you all know how much I love bling, but I also love flowers. So this paper, I swear I'm gonna have to buy like 5 packs of it just so I can enjoy both sides of the paper. So I'm gonna go through each sheet of this gorgeous paper so that you can see the fabulous shine and the full print. And then of course at the end, I'm gonna have you pick your favorite one and let me know in the comments below, and I'll let you know what my What did you think of this gorgeous Ornate Garden designer paper? Which one is your favorite? I have to be honest, I think that I super love this one here with that gorgeous foil print because I can always color that any color. But I'm also super loving the back side with these little flowers, and I'm also loving this one too because of that blue background and those little pink flowers. I find them to be absolutely gorgeous. And since they're a smaller flower, then they make a great subtle background for any sort of card. So let me know in the comments below which one your favorite is. Of course, give this video a thumbs up if you like the Ornate Garden Specialty Designer Series paper. I will also leave links down below for this amazing bundle that you can get your hands on. Be sure to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, so that you can see finished samples of this as well as lots of other fun, crafty inspiration. And I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.